So, according to my Google Assistant, it's 03:15 a.m. 80 degrees outside. What do y'all think I'm doing? Check it out. Junkman is at the strip club. The New York Strip Club. That's right, boys and girls. Getting my grub on in the wee hours of the night. Oh, heck, let me cut some lights on so y'all can see. Oh, oops, I cut the lights up. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Getting my New York strip on, y'all. Check me out. Does that bad boy look good? Got that probe in there. Let me see what the temperature is. Oh, that sucker's done. That sucker's done. Pull that off. I gotta pull that off the grill. Gotta go. Peace.